Come and join me as I unboxed my Creuset Tableware. Sale is from 17 to 22 of September at 5th Floor Bazaar, Harbour City, Hong Kong. The sale is up to 70% off, and when you purchased 5 items or more there is an additional 15% discount. I'm so thrilled to unbox my tableware I purchased for a very reasonable discount. It includes tea set with a small teapot and 4 red quartz teacup, a mini round cocotte for my dessert or small dishes, a shallow dish, 5 pieces of mini oblong plate, an acacia wood tray and a maple wood turner and scoop. If you want to know the location of the bazaar, I will attach the video link in the description below. Hurry while stocks last. Hope you enjoy watching and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.